Heading for Wasuch Ridge, that direction. Very late in the day, 11:30 to start, but it's a beautiful day here. Zooming on Mary Berkeley, my second last trip. Mount Lorette. The previous one was Mary Berkeley. Mount Allen, Olympic Summit and the ski slope. Wasuch Peak, Wasuch Tower, the trail along Wasuch Creek. Simply trying to find my way to correct it, to end up back on a ridge. I should say to end up on a ridge, but we'll see. We'll see where. Has to be avalanche free and has to be doable, so no cliffs in a way or such. It's a bit of a slush here, but it's progress can be made fairly easy. As long as I find the correct depth to walk along. Yeah, it doesn't look too good up ahead. I'll have to decide whether to go here or not. Yeah, so far it's very easy going. I simply want to continue. I don't want to head for the ridge yet for Wasuch Ridge, since the creek is such a nice snowshoe. Doing on Mount Mary, Berkeley. Sorry to time zone. Yeah, so as long as I can continue, I really enjoy it, so I don't bother. That must be the highest point eventually on a ridge. But I don't know, I'm gonna go to see how far I can go, and then maybe some easy ridge walk on the left.
Just a very nice layer of snow, making it for 90%, 80–90% snowshoeing, floating on top of this snow. It's the best option even for any season, even beats a summer trip, which would be a hard walk on rocks. It's much better on a soft snow. So I'm continuing. I didn't want to climb up on the left side yet. Didn't feel like it. I'm gonna see how far I can go. If there is an opportunity to climb on the left further up, I will definitely take it. Some nice clearing, maybe dry a little. Who knows? To be AVI free. In the meantime, I'm making good progress.
What a lovely day and a pleasant walk, snowshoeing along Wasuch Creek, which has no water in it. Probably will be from the snow melt later on. But yeah, so far I didn't bother going up on the left side here when I'm filming. It doesn't look too inviting so far, and even a bit AVI dangerous, some places avoidable, but I don't know, it's just too enjoyable to walk on this creek, and it's probably the best time of year to do it on good quality snow for the most part, as opposed to in the summer when it's probably a creek running and who knows, some hard on your feet terrain, lots of rocks and such. I was considering actually to go for that little hill to make it a trip. Even that one if I had more time, but it's already 3 o'clock. That would be a better option, of course, on a ridge there, but there's no time, so we'll see. Probably I'm heading for the hill. Yeah, I'm still on Vasuch Creek. I was trying to be heading for the hill I previously filmed, where I'm pointing there, but as soon as I stepped on a spot, the snow got very slushy and I was sinking in it. You can see the depths here by the edge there, eventually. And continuing this way. Oh, a little. Still good walking here, but like I said, not on the left side. So I'm trying to see what options I have. I can either go to this higher peak here on the right, or find a way to attack the left hill on somehow. If it's gonna be too slushy for both, then I'll have to turn around. And either one will be offering an option. I will take. Oh, thinking a little. Yeah, it might be the heat also. Sun angle, all these variables. That's changing the quality of the snow. Where I was able to walk so nicely so far on a creek bed. So yeah, that's one option over there. I'll try it. If not, we'll see. Yeah, the gullies seem to be, I mean, well, this is not a gully, it's a creek bed, or the only solid snow. Once I step on a side, it's not gonna be solid anymore. That's where I came from. So the hill is on my right here. I'm gonna try to find based on my GPS here, let's make some shadow here. Very hard. The black triangle is where I am now, in the middle of the triangle, and let's try to zoom in. So yeah, it looks very easy slope on this side. So once I continue, I should be fine. Because I don't want to go on deep snow. I mean on a steep terrain, where with steep snow, of course.
I'm at exactly 2000 meter elevation, and only, according to my GPS, only 40 meters, vertical meters from the top of this hill where I'm heading up. It looks higher, but that's what the GPS says. So far, from the bottom of this hill, I had a little dry land, and then I was post-holing like I do now. Not too bad, of course very steep, but manageable slowly. Making slow progress, but it is a progress, that's what matters. So I'll continue. I'm not on my snowshoes now from the bottom of this hill. I took them off. It's easier perhaps. Yeah, just continuing like this. Sometimes holding branches, pull myself up like I do here. Yeah, that's it for now. Still looks higher than my GPS says, but oh well, it has to be right. Yeah, I'm at finally on the top of the hill. Elevation here is 2012, and the highest point is 2040 apparently behind me. I just want to have the views here. That's Wasuch Ridge, heading that way, which I missed today, but I don't mind at all. Yeah, I came from down there. Now I'm back on snowshoes. It's a snowshoe, actually it's only snowshoe terrain here. I would think too much without them, or even with them, but at least I make some progress. So I shall continue on to see if I can get more clear views eventually. Oh, it's kind of soft snow, kind of hard walking, but it is what it is. I must walk slowly so I don't sink if I put too much pressure. little tracks I'm following here. Probably elk, I don't know. Yeah, recognize it. It says 40 meters, 2040, but I'm not even sure if I'm going to go all the way to the end of this hill. I don't think it's any point. As long as I get the views I want, which will be quite soon, including now, I will do it. Because the snow it's a little soft, so I don't find it to be too efficient walking this way. It's a bit too narrow over there. Down this way. Yeah, one option I was thinking, if I was to reach the end of this hill and descend on the other side, the way I'm heading now, down there, maybe is less steep than the section I'm heading along now. However, I have no guarantee that once down I won't be blocked, which is quite unlikely, but it's a possibility to be blocked, so then I won't have time to turn around. To do a traverse higher, which will be very, very frustrating, energy consuming so late in the day. In any case, I will go a little bit more just to check it out. If the angle is really low, then I'll definitely give it a try. Worst case scenario, I come back the same way up if I get blocked. Because the way I came up was, like I said before, very steep, and it can be slippery at points. Don't have micro spikes anymore. So yeah, a decision will come up shortly. Shall conclude this clip.
Just realized that I am following some cougar tracks. Quite big, an adult cougar, but luckily, I am heading the opposite way. Wow, look at that. Cougar tracks. That's where I came from, and on this hill, following the ridge, snowshoeing, and I'm trying to get the best views I can from this forest before I have to, because they are blocked by trees, obviously, and I'm gonna find some opening eventually, more or less, further that way. And hopefully on the way down the cougar is not going to chase me. It will be a nasty outcome. They don't usually. So anyway, I'll try to get a better shot from further up. Yeah, I'm at my final destination on a hill at the end of Wasatch Creek, and beyond the Wasatch Ridge, which is behind me over there. An amazing day. These are cougar tracks from today. It's a large cougar which was heading behind me. Probably he saw me already. They see you before you see them. Amazing location. The only problem is it's very late in the day, but the headlamp, once I get on back on a creek, I'll just follow my tracks. There won't be any issues. Just easy snowshoeing for the most part. Let's continue with the scenery here. The sun is almost behind that mountain. Yeah, I should check her GPS. GPS showing 2034, which is just 6 meters from 2004 is the highest point. Let's zoom out a little to see where I came. Yeah, anyway. Then should close up here. Another 360 panorama. This time I'll go do a full loop. At the end hill on Wasatch Ridge, well, it's separated from the ridge, but east of Wasatch Creek, southeast, or even I should say the creek has ended prior to this hill, just about there. So I'm off the creek location now, and my decision is going to be to follow my tracks back same way I came, because I don't want to go into the unknown now. Besides, if I descend that way, look at that avalanche gully just on the side. It's very dangerous. So yeah, I'll simply follow my tracks back. A woodpecker. I'm descending a hill with snowshoes, which is pretty good. On the way up I was just post-holing without snowshoes, and the location is south from Wasatch Creek.